This video is perhaps the one that you've been waiting for. And this is going to tell us how to punch these damn logarithms into our calculator and get out a number. Okay. Now, when I say that, we just have to be very, very careful and apply this appropriately. Okay. When we punch this into our calculator, really what we're going to be using is called the change of base property. And here it is. Now, it looks scary. It really isn't that bad. Notice the notation. So it says log base b of a. We can calculate this by doing log of the input over log of the base. And that's common log. Okay, log base 10. Equivalently, you can do natural log of the input over natural log of the base. That's fine. Or if you have another base in mind, base 5, base 52, don't really care. It's still log of that base of the input over log of the base, or log of whatever base you choose of the original base. Okay, so then when we calculate this out, not too bad. We're just going to get, so we can express this as log of 22 over log of 7, or equivalently, if we wanted to, we could also say that this is going to be natural log of 22 over natural log of 7. And so now I'm going to reach for my calculator and I'm going to do log of 22 divided by, and then make sure to close parentheses, and then log of 7, close parentheses, and I get approximately 1.58, 8-ish. Okay, and so you can do the same thing with natural log of 22 divided by natural log of 7, and here again you still get about 1.588. Okay, so it doesn't matter which base you use, and to that end I want you to calculate this and tell me what the answer is in a quiz question. Okay, and so that's going to be how we calculate logarithms. Now, just as a word of caution, do not confuse this with doing like the quotient property. Remember, if we had like log of let's say 625x, okay, again we can, or sorry, 625 over, or 625 minus log of, and let's just do this base 2 of 52. Now, some people are going to try to say that this is equal to the log of 625 over the log base 2 of 52, and they would be completely incorrect. Okay, again, that's the mistake that I told you students are going to want to make. What you should do instead is it's going to be log base 2 of 625 over 52 inside the logarithm. So you can compute that quotient, and then if you really want to calculate it out, you can do log of 625 over 52, so log of the input over log of the base. And then you will get an answer. That is correct. Okay, so just be aware of that.